What's good? It's the Hunter Hoffman back with insane content! People often ask me for help with their cars. That can be repairs or maintenance. Almost always, I simply tell them to do it themselves. As 1, it's not that hard. 2, it's a lot cheaper. And 3, it's fun to figure out something yourself. But Hunter, how would I do these things? I mean, all you need are some basic tools, some research, and some time. So let's dive into it! So, tools. Buy good tools once, and you'll enjoy them for the rest of your life. Think of a basic tool set, a breaker bar, wheel nut sockets, an oil filter wrench and an oil pan, a jack and jack stands, a diagnostic tool, and some torque wrenches. With these tools, you can already do 80% of car-related work yourself, and it might cost you around $500 to $1,000 in total. Many jobs require you to get the car in the air. Think of oil changes, wheel replacements, brake-related work, wheel bearings, and suspension work. All you need to get a car in the air is a jack and jack stands. This jack and these jack stands were only about $300 altogether. $300! That's like a week of child support. Next up, you would need to do a bit of research. Look up information on the internet, watch YouTube tutorials, and read forums, depending on what you're looking for. These days, anything can be looked up on the internet. Just try it out and try to learn from things. All right, I can do this. All right, well, let's do this.
Hello there.
Hi, my name's Pizza, and I would like to order the Hunter Hoffman. Oh, Another example of doing your research is for parts. Car parts from the manufacturer are often way more expensive than different brands of car parts. While in most cases, the parts are exactly the same. Check out this, for instance.
So these are all BMW parts, but this and this one are OE parts, made by INA. But if we look at the BMW part, BMW, guess by who it's made? INA. I'll put the price of the original part on screen now, and let's compare that to the OE part. And let's do the same for these two. That's crazy, right?
So that was for the M3. Also, take a look at this Bosch air filter for the 911. This cost me around 26 euros, while the original Porsche branded one costs about double as much. And let me tell you, the parts are exactly the same. There is no difference in quality whatsoever. All you need to do is cross-reference an original part number and look up an OEM alternative. So now that we're armed with our tools, our research, and our parts, let me show you how easy things can be. Here we have my Porsche 911, which is for sale, by the way. Send me a DM if you're interested. Let's do something simple by changing out the air filter. We have the basic tools, I've looked up online on how to change out the air filter, and I had the part. So this is your air filter box, so we're going to go ahead and remove this from the car. We start out by popping out the oil filter tube and disconnect the air filter intake. Then we're going to disconnect this pipe from the snorkel. There it is. So now we're going to go ahead and tilt the thing forwards by popping it out of these grommets here. Then we're going to disconnect the MAF sensor. And then finally disconnect this line over here. Like so. Then remove it from the car. Then with a T25 we're going to separate the airbox. And here we have the air filter. Pretty dirty, but yeah, good that we're replacing this. So now we're going to grab our new filter and install it like so. And reassemble the air filter box. All right, so time to get this back in the car. Pop back in this cable and the MAF sensor. Then pop it back into the grommets. Then pop this tube back in and the intake. And tighten this back up. And then finally this pipe. And there we go. So how much time did that cost me? I would say researching and ordering the part was about 30 minutes, and the install even less. Here, let me show you how much this would cost at the dealership. That's crazy savings, right? But the most important thing was, it was fun to do. I now know how to do this, I've learned something, and I've saved a bit of money. I call that a win-win. You know what else would be a win-win? If you could hit that sexy subscribe button, so that I can grow this channel, pump out more videos for you, and buy cool cars to work on. So there you have it. You can do this yourself as well. I believe in you. So the next video will be about this bad boy again, as the clock spring of the steering wheel decided to break, and the car will be up on the dyno soon as well. Should be interesting. If you have any suggestions for new videos, please let me know in the comments down below. I truly appreciate the support. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. So this is your elf. So this is your elf. So this is your elf. Jezus, roef, jongen. Oh, mijn benen. Oh, oké. Even kijken.